Hello guys, what's up? My name is Paul Bongwell from Auto Tracing. Today I will show you how car aircon works.
Yeah, boy.
First, the compressor begins, which driven by the compressor clutch. Takes in a pressure refrigerant vapor and compresses into a hot high pressure gas. Next, this hot gas flows into the condenser located at the front of the car as the air flows over the condenser pins. This one, the pins. Helped by the condenser fan. This is the condenser fan. The gas cools down and condenses into a high pressure liquid. The refrigerant then passes through the receiver dryer. This is the receiver dryer, which filter out any moisture or debris to protect the system and keep the refrigerant clean and dry. From there, the refrigerant flows in the expansion valve. This one, the expansion valve. This is where the pressure suddenly drops and the refrigerant turns into a cold, low pressure liquid vapor mixture. This cold refrigerant enters the evaporator located inside the dashboard as warm air from the cabin. These are the cabins. Passes over the evaporator, coils. The refrigerant absorbs the heat, cooling the air. At the same time, the cabin blower motor blows the now cool air through the vents and into the car's interior. Finally, the refrigerant, now a low pressure vapor, again returns to the compressor and the cycle repeats. And that's it. That's how car aircon works. Thank you guys. Subscribe.